Howdy! I'm down at a quarry at the moment, and there's a variety of types of flint here, and that's exactly what I'm after. But sometimes you get a good bit and it's too big to pick up. I've just hit it once and taken this off. Now I'm going to hit it again. As you can see, take that apart and I'll get some useful bits off of it. I'd really like to turn it over, but it's just too big. Oh, yeah. So this material is commonly quite grey, but perfectly nappable. Makes good tools. See something like that? Instantly a great blade core, already set up and ready to go. So I'm down at a place called Earsham Gravels, which is close to St Edmunds near Norwich. There's some good flint here. I've got some really nice bits, and that's the stuff that well, I'm going to have fun napping it. Also the students on the courses, this is the material we'll be playing with. So that didn't turn out to be too bad of a haul, did it? It's not always like that. It took me a couple of hours to actually select this, film a trailer up, and I will be going back and getting some more. I'd also like to go around and have a look at some other quarries, because when you move about the county, this is in the UK, what you'll find is the quality of the flint will change. However, a lot of quarries won't even let you in there these days, not even with high vis and hard hat, and that's just health and safety. It is a shame, because we don't only need the flint for archaeology and the creation of looking at how to make tools and understanding our history, but also flint is used as a building material, and it's used in the black powder industry for reenactments with like the Brown Bess musket rifles and all that sort of stuff. But there you go, that's the times we live in, and I went to Earsham Gravels, close to St Edmunds, and that's near Norwich in Norfolk. They're pretty welcome in there, and they don't charge you for the flint. So, cheers for now.